My name is Stella. Welcome to Anchor Wisdom's YouTube channel. Yo guys, we are learning a lot. I hope you don't miss us. Please come, let's learn together about mathematical equation, solving symmetrics, algebra. Being a COVID time, schools are closed, So this is virtual learning. Let's come and learn together. Subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our videos that are uploaded every Sunday. Please click that bell so you don't miss any of our notifications. Catch you all that day. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Good day, class. My name is Uncle Wisdom. Today we shall be solving the previous class exercises on greatest common factor. So number 1 said, find the GCF, that is the greatest common factor of 36, 60, and 72. So write a solution. 36, 60, and 72. So we'll take them one after the other. 36. 36 divided by 2 will give us 18. 18 divided by 2 will give us 9. 2 cannot divide 9. So we'll now go 3. 9 divided by 3 will give us 3. And 3 divided by 3 will give us 1. We'll take number 60. 60 divided by 2 will give us 30. 30 divided by 2 will give us 15. 2 cannot divide 15 again, so we take 3. 15 divided by 3 will give us 5. Then 5 divided by 5 will give us 1. 72. 72 divided by 2 will give us 36. 36 divided by 2 will give us 18. 18 divided by 2 will give us 9. 2 cannot divide 9 again. We'll now take 3. 9 divided by 3 will give us 3. And 3 divided by 3 will give us 1. We have gotten the factors of the numbers. We've achieved them. Now, to find the greatest common factor, this implies that 36, 60, and 72. We'll now create a box for them. We have 2, 3, and 5 here. So we'll write 2, 3, and 5. In 36, we'll have 1, 2. 2 appeared into 2 places. Then we'll write 1, 2 multiplied by 2. Then we'll have 3 into 2. 3 by 3. There's no 5. Put dots. Then we go to 60. In 60, we have 2. 1, 2. 2 by 2. 3, we have only 1. And 5 appeared 1 also. 72, we have 2. 1, 2, 3. That is 2 by 2 by 2. 3 into 2. 3 by 3. There's no 5. So, when we come to 2 now, we find out that 2 appeared into 2 places here, and appeared into 2 places here, and appeared into 2 places. Therefore, we take them. That is, this implies that GCF of 36, 60, and 72 is equal to, why here now, 3 appeared 1 here, appeared into 2, 1 here and 1 here. So we take the common one. So this is now 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 5 is not here, appeared only in one place. So we don't take it because there is no common factor there. So when we multiply the common factors now, we now have 2 multiplied by 2 will give us 4. And 4 multiplied by 3 will give us 12. This is our answer. Are we following? So that is for the number A. That is the greatest common factor of 36, 60, and 72 is 12. So we now go to exercise B. Number B. B. Solution. $11, $24, and $30. So we take 11. There's no number that can divide 11 except 11. 11 divided by 11 will give us 1. So we'll take 24. 24 divided by 2 can give us 12. 12 divided by 2 will give us 6. 6 divided by 2 will give us 3. 2 cannot divide 3. Then 3 divided by 3 will give us 1. We take 30. 30 divided by 2 will give us 15. 2 cannot divide 15, but 3 can. 15 divided by 3 will give us 5. Then 5 divided by 5 will give us 1. This implies that 11, 24, and 30 will create balls. So the numbers that we have here is 2, 3, 5, and 11. So we have 2, 3, 5, and 11. Eleven appeared only one place. 24. We have 2, 1, 2, 3. 2 by 2 by 2. And we have 3, 1. In 30, we have 2, 1, 3, appeared 1, and 5, 1. So when you look at this board now, you find out that there's no number. They don't have common factor here. 11, 24, and 30, there is no common factor. Therefore, there is no common factor for 11, 24, and 30. That is that for the previous class exercises. If you're new here, please, we urge you to always follow us by subscribing, share our class, and comment in the comment section. Thank you. God bless you.
Continue.
1/2 is a proper fraction because the numerator is 1 and the denominator is 2, meaning that the numerator is less than the denominator. Another one is even 4/7 is also a proper fraction because the numerator is less than the denominator. etc. So the second one is the one we call mixed number.